Hey everyone, my name is Shreya and welcome back to my channel Beauty and the Code। आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ अपने सारे ज़ारा परफ्यूम्स शेयर करने वाली हूँ। मेरे पास करीब 15 ज़ारा परफ्यूम्स हैं एंड आई थॉट कि मैंने इंडिविजुअल रिव्यूज़ सबके कर रखे हैं आपके लिए। तो पूरे 15 ज़ारा परफ्यूम्स के इंडिविजुअल रिव्यूज़ हैं एंड उसमें सब मैंने बताया कि किसका ड्यूप है, क्या नोट्स हैं, एवरीथिंग। बट मैंने सोचा कि एक कलेक्टिव ज़ारा कलेक्शन वीडियो भी कर लेती हूँ। इनमें से मैं आपको बताऊँगी कि कौन से अब डिसकंटिन्यू हो चुके हैं, कौन से अभी भी चल रहे हैं, कौन से फेमस हैं, कौन से नहीं हैं, एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट। सो लेट्स बिगिन विद टुडेज वीडियो। बिफोर वी डू सो मेक श्योर कि आपने मेरे चैनल पे सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है, यू हिट द बेल नोटिफिकेशन एंड you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. So all my Zara perfumes are kept in this basket. Trust me, it is very heavy, like 15 perfumes is a lot of ml and liters. So it's heavy. So I'm going to pick all these perfumes one by one and मैं एक क्विक रिव्यू आपको दूंगी कि मैं इन परफ्यूम्स के बारे में क्या फील करती हूँ। एग्जैक्ट नोट्स नहीं बताऊंगी, आई जस्ट टेल यू द कैटेगरी ऑफ द परफ्यूम एंड वेदर आई लाइक दिस परफ्यूम और नॉट एंड हाउ डज इट परफॉर्म ऑफ कोर्स। सो द फर्स्ट वन दैट आई हैव इज़ ज़ारा गोल्ड। ज़ारा गोल्ड अभी भी अवेलेबल है ज़ारा के वेबसाइट पे एंड ज़ारा गोल्ड एक बहुत ही मैच्योर फ्रेगरेंस है। So this is floral, this is sweet, this is beautiful, this is mature, and this is also a similar or a dupe for uh, Gucci Rush. And ये एक बहुत ही प्यारा डे टाइम वेयर भी है, नाइट टाइम वेयर भी है, ये परफॉर्म भी अच्छा करता है। सो ज़ारा गोल्ड मुझे काफ़ी पसंद है। ज़ारा गोल्ड एंड रोज़ गोल्ड आर एक्चुअली वन ऑफ माई टू ऑफ माई फेवरेट्स फ्रॉम ज़ारा। थोड़ा मुझे पैसा वसूल लगता है दिस परफ्यूम के साथ क्योंकि इसका परफॉर्मेंस काफ़ी अच्छा है। Again, I will repeat, this is meant for mature women. I don't think it will look good, it will smell good on teenagers or lesser age people. Definitely it is a best office going perfume. It is not at all offensive and बहुत ही प्यारा इसमें एक डेप्थ है, थोड़े से फ्लोरल एंड फ्रूटी नोट्स हैं। ओवरऑल एक बहुत अच्छा ब्यूटिफुल एवरीडे वेयर काइंड ऑफ परफ्यूम है। सो द नेक्स्ट वन इज़ ज़ारा रोज़ गोल्ड। अभी आप देख सकते हो बहुत कम बचा हुआ है ये, बिकॉज ज़ारा रोज़ गोल्ड इज़ वन ऑफ माई टॉप पिक्स फ्रॉम ज़ारा। नाउ दिस वन इज़ अ प्योर फ्लोरल परफ्यूम. This one is a pure white floral perfume. It's not exactly jasmine, it is more like Rajnigandha, and it is so strong. It is so strong. This perfume lasts for massive 7 to 8 hours. Zara perfumes don't really work that well, but rose gold Zara perfume is an exception. If I have to repurchase one out of the 15 that I have, it will be this one. Zara rose gold is a very beautiful fresh floral perfume and ये वाला मैं prefer करती हूँ to wear like during the daytime, mostly during the daytime. It is such a beautiful delicate perfume to wear, delicate but still strong. So yeah, this is one of the best Zara picks. So the next perfume that I've got is called as a Zara Violet Blossom. Now it was said that Zara Violet Blossom is a dupe for Mugler's Alien perfume, but trust me, I have Alien perfume. I have both EDP and EDT, and definitely this one is not a dupe for that. This is much sweeter. Yeah, this is much sweeter to Alien. This has a very strong vanilla presence also, and Alien is like a strong jasmine perfume. So yeah, this one does not cut the mark for in comparison to Alien. This is like nothing. This is very different perfume. It has berry notes in it. It has this fruity presence in it which is very strong. It has vanilla which is very strong, and overall it is a sweet perfume is what I want to say. This is best to be worn in winters या night time. Daytime के लिए थोड़ा सा heavy हो जाएगा, but of course if you want to wear it you wear it, but ideally it is good for evenings, night wear, and during autumn and winter season. And this is also a very gorgeous one. Like if you like sweet and fruity fragrances, you will definitely love this one. The next one that I've got is called as Zara Nui, and this particular perfume is from their night collection again. So night collection, you can like imagine that it has to be worn during evenings and nights, but this particular perfume is so kind of zesty, um, kind of like it has, I think, a tangerine or a zesty note to it, and it is so powdery that I feel that it is best worn in the daytime instead of nighttime. Now, again, Zara Nui is one of the most stronger fragrances available in Zara perfume line. This lasts for a very long time, like it almost lasts for 5 to 6 hours, and trust me, Zara perfume lasting for 5 6 hours, just grab it without thinking, because Zara perfumes don't perform that well. 2 hours is the max that they go, but these ones, the four that I showed you abhi starting में, ये वाले बहुत अच्छे परफॉर्म करते हैं. सो दिस वन ज़ारा नूई इज़ अ वेरी पाउडरी फ्रेगरेंस, एंड डेफिनेटली अगेन इट इज़ मेंट फॉर डे एंड नाइट टाइम. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि सिर्फ नाइट टाइम के लिए है, but this is also a very beautiful one. Next perfume that I have is called as Zara Mauve, and ये Twilight Mauve है, and ये बहुत ही प्यारा fruity fragrance है. This one is such a fresh fruity perfume. इसमें कोई ऐसे डेप्थ नहीं है, मतलब इसमें कुछ स्पाइसीनेस नहीं है. बड़ा ही फ्रेश, ऐसे लीची, स्ट्रॉबेरी, जो थोड़े से जूसी कैटेगरी के फ्रूट्स होते हैं ना, ये उसका ब्लेंड लगता है. लिटरली कॉकटेल सा लगता है. This is best to be worn during daytime, yeah, during summer season. In winters also you can definitely wear it during daytime. Again, a very sweet, very cute kind of a blend, and this one is like for all age groups. Everyone can wear this, a very universal one, and this is also still available with Zara, like with the same formula and the same fragrance note. It is still available. The next one is called as Zara Oriental, and this is one of my favorites. Now, Zara Oriental is named as Oriental, but it's not actually Oriental. This is a very sweet perfume. This, I think it has tonka beans in it and vanilla, because it also has caramel kind of a note in it. Basically, this is a sweet gourmand fragrance, and I don't know why it is called as Oriental, but this feels that it is very sweet. Okay, don't quote me on the exact notes, but this is one of the sweeter fragrances in Zara. Again, it is idealistic to be worn from all age groups, and occasion is again evenings and winters and stuff like that. This is one of the most gorgeous ones in Zara. Then I have Zara's Red Vanilla, and this one is a dupe for La Vie Belle perfume, and this is again a very nice sweet vanilla based perfume. रेड वेनिला में काफ़ी हद तक रोज़ी वाइब्स भी मुझे आते हैं, थोड़ा सा स्पाइसी रोज़ fruity vibes is what I get out of red vanilla, and this is one of the best wears in winters, evenings and night time. This also performs well. It's better than the other Zara perfumes. ये करीब 2 से 3 घंटे, 3 hours, yeah, it lasts around 3 hours or so, and इसका projection अच्छा है. Like this one is, you can feel that you have put on a good strong perfume is what I'm trying to say. So red vanilla is one of the better performers in Zara, and again this is also still available on their site. Next is a Zara Gourmand Addict. Gourmand Addict, as the name suggests, is a very sweet perfume again, and this one is again I think from their day collection. Yeah, this one is so sweet, it's like sickeningly sweet, and again I feel that this has some coffee-ish kind of a fragrance to it, and it has very strong kind of caramel sweet note in it. बहुत it's like overall you can say that it is like a sweet bunch. It does not have bakery feel to it, like it is gourmand but it is sweet gourmand. It does not have bakery feel to it, but the name actually goes along with what they are trying to say. But I am sure इसके जो notes थे ना, आई डोंट रिमेंबर द एग्जैक्ट नोट्स, बट ज़ारा के जो नोट्स होते हैं और जो परफ्यूम रहता है, that is like poles apart. So many a times you will read the notes and you will feel कि एक particular ज़ारा का परफ्यूम ऐसा होगा, and then it disappoints you. So that is the case with this one. So the next perfume is called as Zara Fruity. From the name you can imagine, like, this has more apple and berry kind of a fruity cocktail, but this one does not perform really well. This just lasts for around 1.5 hours on me. This literally is similar to a fragrance mist, is what you can compare this with. The performance for Zara Fruity is just not good. The next perfume is one of my top picks, again from Zara. This one is Black Amber. Now, it says that it is Black Amber, but it does not have amber note in it. Again, not a surprise for Zara. So this one has a very, very, very strong tangerine note in it, and that tangerine note takes this perfume to another level. This is a very spicy tangerine perfume, and I think that this is one of the better ones to be worn during evenings and night times. इसका performance अच्छा है, in fact massive performance है इसका. So this one is a like one of the good performing ones. So yeah, I think this one is a dupe for one of the Dolce and Gabbana's, I think the one. So this is also like very famous for that. The next perfume from Zara is Forget Me Not. This is my least favorite of all. Like, I just don't enjoy this perfume at all. So Forget Me Not is a very subtle aqua fruity perfume. It is so typical, it is so light, and it is so it just does not perform well, it does not last long. So this is one of the least favorites that I have, and I really don't recommend this to anyone. I'm not even sure if this is continued in Zara or not, but yeah, this is not a good purchase. Then I have Zara Gardenia. Zara Gardenia is again a very, very, very beautiful perfume, and I think this is a dupe for Black Opium from YSL. This one has a tonka bean vanilla note in it. Yep, this one is very nice. This has a floral note, it has a tonka bean note, this has a vanilla note in it. It definitely is a very beautiful, kind of like a coffee gourmand fragrance. Highly recommend this one, and again it is idealistic for a rainy day, winter, autumn, evenings, night outs, stuff like that. Beautiful, mature, absolutely sweet and beautiful fragrance. Then I have Yellow Velvet from Zara. Personally, for summer season, I feel this is the best perfume to be worn. This performs also really well, and it is actually a very good perfume to try during summers. But Zara discontinued it. So I'm really sorry if you cannot get your hands on this. Thank God I bought it at the right time. Yeah, this is so good. It is so fresh, it is citrusy, it is zesty, it is fruity. This is so good. Like Yellow Velvet, I really, really, really love this perfume. And I don't know why Zara discontinued it. This was supposed to be there, and it was supposed to be there in the production, but no, Zara just discontinued it. The next one that I have is called as Zara Orchid. So from the name, it is pretty clear that it's got to be a floral. Yeah. This one is a very nice, fresh floral. Absolutely stunning for summers, daytime, and stuff like that. This is something which seems to be a slightly mature note of florals. So I'll still say that not every age category can carry this off. Maybe more for mature women. And this is like a beautiful floral bouquet kind of a fragrance. Yeah, this is again a very beautiful mature fragrance. The last but not the least is Zara Tobacco Collection Rich Warm Addictive. Now Rich Warm Addictive, RWA, is one of the most famous fragrances from Zara. This is so sweet. This is literally like a rum cake. And it is very boozy, it is famous, but the worst part is it just does not perform well. Now, many people on my video review for this particular perfume have said, what are you talking about? This lasts for 6 hours on us. Who are you people? Because Zara perfumes rich, warm, addictive just does not last any longer than 1.5 hour. You can buy it, you can try it, and you can let me know in the comments. This just does not perform well. It has the most thrashiest performance according to me, but the fragrance is so unique that when once I finish or go through this perfume, I am definitely going to repurchase it. Like, definitely going to repurchase it. So, one of the most unique perfumes and one of the most thrashiest performing perfumes from Zara, but I think it is a must have. Alright, so those were all my 15 bottles from Zara, and I hope that this mini detail about these perfumes was helpful, especially to decide which category this particular perfume belongs to, so that at least you can decide if that suits you or not. Some people just hate floral, some people just hate gourmands, some just hate clean fragrances. So at least from the category you'll get to know कि आपको कौन सा Zara perfume pick करना चाहिए. And yeah, that was the overall Zara collection that I've got. Many of you have asked me to try Femme. I may buy it. I just want to go through some of these bottles first before I buy any more Zara perfumes. So once I go through one or two of these, then I'll get the Femme for sure. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you enjoyed watching this. Please support my channel. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.